How to get all subsets of a set. Powerset. Given a set. How can I produce the subsets?
The Python ITtools page has exactly a Powerset recipe for this. Output. If you don't like that empty tuple at the beginning, you can just change the range statement to range 1, len s plus 1 to avoid a zero length combination.
Here is more code for a Powerset. This is written from scratch. Mark Rashikov's comment is applicable here. If you don't like the empty tuple at the beginning, you can just change the range statement to range 1, len s plus 1 to avoid a zero length combination, except in my case you change for I in range 1, x to for I in range 1, 1, x. Returning to this years later, I now write it like this. And then the test code would look like this, say. Using yield means that you do not need to calculate all results in a single piece of memory. Pre-calculating the mask outside the main loop is assumed to be a worthwhile optimization.
If you're looking for a quick answer, I just searched Python Powerset on Google and came up with this, Python Powerset generator. Here's a copy-paste from the code in that page. This can be used like this. Now R is a list of all the elements you wanted, and can be sorted and printed.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.